Right, all set now, ready to race. Race number 2 here, Santa Ana Park. The home to the sport of kings, where racing is always at its best. Away they go. Martha's Magic fast to begin, brushing up his strategic partner. Martha's Magic followed now by Go Dodgers Go, and racing in third, Balota by Darrell Headspin, strategic partner. Rushing up Schematics, ready for gold, while Magic Cat is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Martha's Magic leads by some 3, followed by Go Dodgers Go. Rushing up by Darrell Schematics, Balota is racing in fourth by some 3 lengths alongside strategic partner, and watching in 6 is Headspin. Second last, ready for gold, and Magic Cat working towards the back. Martha's Magic by 3, followed by Schematics, and Go Dodgers Go is racing in third by some half a length, and racing in for strategic partner. One dashing up from the outside is the favorite, and this one Headspin passing the 600 and going to the last 550. Martha's Magic by some 3 lengths. It's Martha's Magic followed now by entry number 7, and this one is Magic Cat. Martha's Magic, Magic Cat rushing up now to take the lead, and here comes Headspin as they race the final corner. Magic Cat, Martha's Magic, Headspin down on the inside, Schematic, but still Magic Cat this time by some 5 lengths now, followed by Martha's Magic, Headspin, and nearing the finish line, entry number 7, and this one is Magic Cat, followed by Headspin, Martha's Magic, ready for gold, Balota, his strategic partner, Schematic, and Go.